Welcome back to AK Tutorial channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Blender, the free and powerful 3D software, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the official Blender website. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type backhand index pointing right www.blender.org and press enter. This is the official website of Blender. Step 2. Click the download button. Once the website opens, you'll see a big blue button that says Blue Circle Download Blender Version. Blender will automatically detect your operating system, whether you're using Windows, macOS, or Linux. Just click that download button. Step 3. Start downloading Blender. Once you click, the download will begin. The file size is usually between 200 and 300 megabytes, depending on the version. Wait for the download to finish. YW checkmark I have already downloaded it, so I'll just open Blender directly. If this video helped you, make sure to thumbs up like the video, loudspeaker share it with your friends, bell, and don't forget to subscribe to AK Tutorial channel for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.